The ball bearing is a simple yet important invention that has had a significant impact on the world. Here are some ways in which the ball bearing has changed the world. Industrial Revolution. The ball bearing played a key role in the Industrial Revolution, allowing machinery to operate more efficiently and reliably, and leading to the development of mass production techniques. Transportation. Ball bearings are used extensively in the transportation industry, particularly in vehicles such as cars, trains, and airplanes. They reduce friction and enable vehicles to operate more smoothly and with less energy. Manufacturing. Ball bearings are used in a wide range of manufacturing processes, such as in assembly lines and automated machinery. They help to improve accuracy, reliability, and speed of production. Robotics. Ball bearings are used extensively in robotics, allowing for precise movement and reducing wear and tear on the robot's moving parts. Improvements to the ball bearing can focus on increasing efficiency, durability, and reducing environmental impact. Material improvements. Ball bearings can be made from new materials that are more durable, lightweight, and resistant to wear and corrosion. Lubrication. Improvements in lubrication technology can reduce friction and improve the efficiency of ball bearings. Precision manufacturing. Advances in manufacturing technology can lead to more precise and consistent production of ball bearings, reducing the likelihood of defects and improving performance. Environmental impact. Ball bearings can be made with materials and manufacturing processes that are more environmentally friendly, such as using recycled materials and reducing energy consumption. Integration with smart systems. Ball bearings can be integrated with smart systems that monitor performance and predict when maintenance or replacement is needed, reducing downtime and improving efficiency.